Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert images and captions into a Microsoft Word document, and then create a table of figures to display those images. Step 1. Insert random text and images. First, let's insert a random text into our document. We can do this by using the rando command. Once we have our text, we can then insert some images to go along with it. Step 2. Adding captions to the images. Next, we'll add captions to our images. To do this, we simply right-click on an image, select Insert Caption, and then type in the text we want to use as the caption. We can also create a new label for our figures by clicking on the New Label option. Step 3. Creating a table of figures. Now that we have our images and captions set up, let's create a table of figures to display them all in one place. Step 4. Adjusting spacing. Once our table of figures is created, we can adjust the spacing between the different figure numbers to make them look more organized and visually appealing. To do this, we'll click between different figure numbers and right-click. Then, we'll go to a paragraph and put 0.6 in the spacing section and select Justify in the General section. We'll click Locate to apply the changes. Step 5. Adjusting paragraph spacing. Finally, we'll adjust the paragraph spacing in our document. To do this, we'll go to the Layout tabs, select a paragraph spacing and put 0 in the after section. And that's it. We've successfully inserted images and captions into a Microsoft Word document, created a table of figures to display them all in one place, and adjusted the spacing to make everything look more organized and visually appealing. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching.